Welcome everybody to the Chaotic Force channel. I'm Chaotic Monk. This is my first time making a video on here, and if you want to know what equipment I'm using, I'm currently using the D3400 Nikon with its kit lens. Amazing. Now, the purpose of this video is to give people live feedback of my experience with sellers from online stores, and to share it with you, so then if you do decide to purchase from the sellers that I purchased from, you can have a little bit of confidence knowing that they do say what they mean. Disclaimer: I'm not liable for any bad experience you might have with Mercari or its sellers, so I'm just giving you my take on it. And so this is my experience from an online store called Mercari. It's my first time using it instead of eBay. I hope you like it, and if you don't, leave a comment as to why and leave some good constructive criticism. I'm doing a voiceover because I got a bad mic on my camera. The seller here is McRooney, and the products I bought was a D610, WU-1B Wi-Fi, and a Sinpaid camera bag. Right now you're looking at the Sinpaid camera bag. Right, I was looking through it and just checking to see if there was any broken zippers, anything, cuts, and it was nice. It was pretty clean. Now mind you, everything here is used products, so to be used and still look like this, I was very thankful. It was a high purchase for me this first time. I was pretty daring, but doing research and talking with the seller, I was pretty confident he's a good person. So here's the D610 in its original box. I love it. The feel. And the box almost feels brand new. Now going back to the seller, I had some conversation with him, so I was pretty confident he's legit. Right here is the Wi-Fi connector, WU-1B Wi-Fi connector for the D610s. Since they don't have a Wi-Fi in them, gotta plug this in and get it to work. Now, the shutter count on this D610 was below 12,000, and I'll show you later the shot I took, or the evidence that it is below 12,000. So as I'm unboxing this D610, you got everything's original, everything's there. Got the software, the instruction, warranties, plugs, camera. Not only that, I believe I got an extra battery too, so that was nice. Thankful for that. Here's the original battery charger. Now, the packaging was overall good, although it was in the bag. The product was in the bag, so it was pretty safe. They could have put a little padding on the bottom, like another set of the sandwich it between the cardboard papers, but it was padded enough to keep it safe. Here I'm just putting everything in display for everyone to see what was in the box. Products is as described on his site, his selling site, or his store. So, pretty excited. This is this will be my longest unboxing. still getting used to this whole YouTube thing. Right now, like, I'm trying to show you the camera, but I have a bad autofocus. Not only that, the D3400 doesn't have a swivel monitor, so I don't get to see what I'm doing. So I have to fix it up where I can see a monitor and see if it's focusing or not. But for now, yeah, just gotta deal with it for a little bit. Oh, one thing too, it's missing a cap for the dust cover for the bottom connector. Right here I'm looking for any dust or oil on the sensor. Although this is the D610, they fixed all that. D600s, they have that problem very rarely. And right now I'm gonna go see if it could turn on. Yeah, that's me just telling you dust cover's missing. I don't know what that piece was. I gotta look for it, research. So here I'm gonna put in a battery, although it'll give you an error code. Well, not really an error code, it'll show an E if there's no memory card in there. Currently I only have one memory card, which is in the D3400 recording this. So yes, it turns on. Everything looks good. I was satisfied. I was excited. It's a bigger camera, full frame. No, I'm not bagging on crop sensor, it's really good. Oh, there you go. There goes the shutter count. I did a test on it. So yeah, for the price, I was really satisfied. Good job, Mick Rooney. I will send you a link to this review, and yes, my Mercari experience was a good experience, and I'm happy. So you know that saying, like, subscribe, hit that notification to keep up with the videos, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and see you.